So I'm extremely grateful to the Honourable Minister for repeatedly clarifying that issue. I think between what apprehension the members have and what the Honourable Home Minister is saying, it seems absolutely clear that we are all of the same opinion. A, that law and order strictly is a state subject. B, under entry 2A that he referred to, which was brought by the 42nd Amendment in 1976, central forces can be deployed in the states in aid of the civil power. That's what he says. There is no difficulty in that. On a more pragmatic view, a state may have a situation which is going out of control, and a state may say, well, I request the central government to send either the BSF or the CRPF in some areas. Additionally, closer to the border areas, and he has a greater experience in the ministry than some of us, there may be cases where the BSF from the border is chasing somebody who has infiltrated inside, and he may get into the territory of the state. Therefore, in all these cases, the cardinal principle which he accepts, fortunately for us, is that this can be done on the request of the state or with the consent, only on the request of the state or with the consent of the state. Rather than it remain in an area of ambiguity, either we can wait till after the 16th meeting is over, or in this legislation, because after all, none of us is going to be here forever, and therefore our discussions or assurances here can at best be an aid to the interpretation of these laws. So 20 years and 30 years later, when this law is being interpreted, that we have a power and the parliament enacted a law that BSF can go into a state and function within a state, there can't be two parallel authorities. It can only be in aid of a civil authority. And therefore, just as I mentioned this earlier, in the Delhi Special Police Establishment Act, you have a provision with regard to consent. You can put an additional amendment here saying, on the request of the state.
Argument.